Now, let's talk about coterminal angles. Coterminal angles are angles in standard position that have the same terminal side. So suppose we have this 45 degrees angle, negative 315 degree angle, and 405 degree angle are its coterminal angles. They share common terminal side. So how are we going to find the coterminal angles of a particular angle? So suppose we have this 45 degrees. So how come that 405 degrees and negative 315 degrees are its coterminal angles? All we need to do is to add or subtract 360. So 45 plus 360 is 405. Now this is positive, meaning the rotation is counterclockwise. So from the initial side, so this is 45 degree, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, this is 360 plus 45, this is 405. Now, for negative 315, that is just 45 minus 360, that is negative 315. So that is negative, so meaning the rotation of the terminal side is clockwise. So from the initial side, we have 90, negative 90, negative 1, negative 180, negative 270, and negative 315. So they share common side. So that's how we're going to find the coterminal angles of a particular angle. So take note that there are infinite coterminal angles. If you want to find more coterminal angles of 45 aside from 405, just add again 360. So if you want to find another coterminal angle of 45 aside from negative 315, just add another negative 360 degree. So let's have the following example. So let's start with the 60 degree. So in the 60 degree, where is the 60 degree? So 60 degree is between 90 degree and the 0 degree. So this is 180 and this is 270 degrees. And one complete revolution is 360 degrees. So the 60 degree, that is between 90 and 0. So suppose this is the 60 degrees. Okay, so to find the coterminal angle of 60, we're just going to add 360 to 60. So this is equal to 400. So this is equal to 420 degrees. So where is that 420 degrees? So positive, meaning we're going to rotate the terminal side in counterclockwise. So 60, 90, 180, 270, 360. 360 plus 60 is 420 degrees. So if you want to find another coterminal angle of 60 degrees, we're just going to add again another 360. So that is 780 degrees. So where is the 780 degrees? So this is 420. This is 450. This is 540. This is 630. This is 720 plus 60. So this is now 780 degrees. So if you want to find another coterminal angle, so just add again another 360 degree. So if we're going to add 360 again to 780, that is equal to 1,140 degrees. So just go again. So where is this 1,140? So we have now 780. So continue the rotation. So plus 30. So this is 810. So this is 900. This is 990. This is 1,080 plus 60. That is 1,140 degrees. Okay, how about if the rotation is clockwise? So that is negative angle. Now let's find the negative coterminal angles of 60 degrees. So again, this is 60 degree angle. So negative meaning the rotation is clockwise. So take note that if the rotation of the terminal side is clockwise, the angle is negative. If the rotation of the terminal side is counterclockwise, the sign of the angle is positive. Let's find the negative coterminal angles of 60. So if that is negative, we're just going to subtract it by 360. So 60 minus 360, so that is negative 300 degrees. So where is this negative 300 degrees? So negative, meaning that is clockwise direction. So from the initial side, this is 90, 180, 270. So if this is 60, the remaining is 30. So 270 plus 30, this is now negative 300 degrees. So if you want to find more negative coterminal angles of 60, so just add negative 360. So we have now negative 660 degrees. So where is this negative 660 degrees? So just continue. So this is negative 300. So plus negative 60. So this is negative 360. This is negative 450. This is negative 540. This is negative 630. And this is negative 660 degrees. So again, to find the coterminal angles of a particular angle, all you have to do is to add or subtract 360 degrees if the measure of the angle is degree. So again, so sum of the coterminal angles of 60 degrees are 420 degrees, 780 degrees, 1140 degrees, negative 300 degrees, negative 660 degrees, and negative 1020 degrees. So now, how about this negative 420 degrees? So where is this located? So negative, meaning we're going to rotate in clockwise direction. So from the initial side, this is 90, 180, 270, and this is 360. Now, we need more 60 degrees. So suppose this is the 60 degrees. So 360 plus 60 is 420 degrees. So that this is negative since it rotates in clockwise direction. So let's find the coterminal angles of negative 420 degrees. So again, just add 360. So negative 420 plus 360, we have negative 60. So negative 60 is one of the coterminal angles of negative 420 degrees. So from the initial side, so this is negative 60 degrees. So again, if you want to find more, so we have, so just add again 360. So plus 360, so this is equal now to 300 degrees. So 300 degrees, this is positive. So meaning the rotation is counterclockwise. So from the initial side, so this is 90, this is 180, this is 270 plus 30 degrees. So this is the 300 degrees. So these are just sum of the coterminal angles of negative 420, the negative 60 and the positive 300 degrees. Again, if you want to find more coterminal, just add 360 to this or subtract 360 degrees. If the angle is measured in pi radian, just like this pi over 3, all we need to do is to add or subtract 2 pi. We know that 2 pi is equal to 360 degrees. So 90 degrees, this is equal to pi over 2. The 180 degrees, this is equal to pi. The 270 degrees, this is equal to 3 pi over 2. And the complete revolution, the full angle is 2 pi. Pi over 3, this is equal to 60 degrees. So where is that? So that is between pi over 2 and the 0. So suppose this is now the pi over 3. Now, how are we going to find the coterminal angles of pi over 3? Again, to find the coterminal angles of the angles measured in pi radian, all you have to do is to add 2 pi. So pi over 3 plus 2 pi, so this is now equal to get the LCD, that is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 times pi is pi. Now 3 times 2 pi is 6 pi. So we have pi plus 6 pi is 7 pi over 3. So one of the coterminal angles of pi over 3 is 7 pi over 3. So where is this 7 pi over 3. So the 7 pi over 3, this is positive. So meaning the rotation is counterclockwise. So from here, okay, so this is the 7 pi over 3. Now, so to find the negative, so just subtract this by 2 pi. So again, same. So this is equal now to, get the LCD, 3 divided by 3 is 1 times pi is pi, minus 3 times 2 pi is 6 pi. So now subtract, we have negative 5 pi over 3. So where is this negative 5 pi over 3? So negative, it rotates in clockwise direction. So from the initial side, okay, now this red one is the negative 5 pi over 3. So sum of the coterminal angles of pi over 3 are 7 pi over 3 and negative 5 pi over 3. So if you want to find more coterminal angles of pi over 3, just add another 2 pi to the 7 pi over 3 or add negative 2 pi to negative 5 pi over 3. Thank you.